Over a century ago, a visionary named Kiai Ahmad Dahlan sparked a movement that would transform the landscape of Islam in Indonesia. In 1912, he founded Muhammadiyah, a moderate and progressive Islamic organization emphasizing human fraternity. Its powerful mission is to make Islam a guiding force for peace, mutual respect, and harmonious living across diverse backgrounds. Through Muhammadiyah, Kiai Ahmad Dahlan aimed not only to reform religious life, but also to promote a society built on openness, tolerance, and compassion. Muhammadiyah is beyond a civic organization. It is a force for transformation. It empowers the moral, spiritual, and social strength of Muslims toward the vision of Baldatun Thayyibatun Warabbun Ghafur. Dakwah in Muhammadiyah represent a call to build a better, fairer, and more prosperous life for all, regardless of background or belief. In every step, Muhammadiyah encouraged Muslims to embody Islamic values in everyday life in order to create a more inclusive, peaceful, and sustainable world. During the past century, Muhammadiyah has grown into one of the largest Islamic organizations in the world with more than 60 million members. Rooted in the noble ideals of its founders, Muhammadiyah is steadily shaping its vision and mission into reality through Islam Berkemajuan movement. Today, Muhammadiyah manages over 160 universities, thousands of schools, hundreds of hospitals and clinics, orphanages, and kindergartens operated by its women's wing Aisyah. In fact, in eastern Indonesia regions, such as Papua and East Nusa Tenggara, Muhammadiyah has established universities that not only educates the younger generation, but also fosters social integration between Muslims and non-Muslims, strengthening the bond in the diverse society. With a mindset anchored in peace and global solidarity, Muhammadiyah has taken an active role in promoting peace and addressing humanitarian issues across countries, such as Palestine, Sudan, Myanmar, Thailand, the Philippines, Turkey, Pakistan, and Taiwan, to various regions across Indonesia through Muhammadiyah Disaster Management Center, Emergency Medical Team, Humanitarian Forum Indonesia, Muhammadiyah Aid, COVID-19 Command Center, and Eko Bhinneka Muhammadiyah. Public philanthropic contributions are channeled through Lajismu, the Muhammadiyah Alms and Charity Institute. It is a nationally recognized zakat institution dedicated to empowering communities through productive programs founded by Zakat, Infak, Wakaf, and other philanthropic contributions from individuals, institutions, and corporations. Continuously innovating, Lajismu develops strategic programs aimed to reduce poverty, promoting social justice, and providing impactful solutions to a wide range of societal challenges. Muhammadiyah's contribution have garnered international recognition. In 2024, Muhammadiyah was honored with the Jayed Award for Human Fraternity, a global recognition awarded to organizations demonstrating outstanding efforts in addressing social challenges, fostering peace, and strengthening solidarity among humanity. In June 2025, Muhammadiyah launched Kalender Hijriah Global Tunggal or KHGT, or the Unified Global Hijri Calendar. This initiative reflects Muhammadiyah's commitment to advancing Islamic civilization by promoting ijtihad, offering practical and scientific solutions to unify Muslims worldwide through the standardized time. Muhammadiyah continues to expand its global presence, which brands now established in 38 countries across 5 continents. Through strategic partnership with various international institutions, Muhammadiyah strengthens its mission of da'wah and amplifies its positive impact worldwide. Each collaboration serves as a bridge toward a better humanity through education, empowerment, humanitarian work, environmental care, and healthcare. Muhammadiyah remains committed to reach out to more people with its message of peace, advancement, and solidarity. Driven by our values of peace, justice, and compassion, Muhammadiyah is committed to continuing its role as an agent of change that consistently inspiring the world and innovating solutions to address the challenges faced by Muslim communities in Indonesia and across the globe. Through its religious, education, health, social, humanitarian, and peace initiatives, Muhammadiyah ultimately strives to embody Islam as rahmatan lil alamin by fostering prosperity, welfare, and justice for all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan wa syukralillah wa salatan wa salaman ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawala. Saudara anggota dan pimpinan PCIM Britania Raya, kami atas nama pimpinan Pusat Muhammadiyah menyampaikan apresiasi yang tinggi atas segala ikhtiar dan pengkhidmatan dari saudara-saudara semua, sehingga Muhammadiyah menjadi organisasi Islam pertama dan satu-satunya dari Indonesia yang menjadi anggota Muslim Council of Britain atau Dewan Muslim Inggris. Dengan menjadi anggota resmi Muslim Council of Britain atau Dewan Muslim Inggris, kami yakin bahwa Muhammadiyah di Britania Raya yang berada dalam kepemimpinan PCIM akan menjadi Muhammadiyah yang semakin membawa dan menabur pencerahan bagi masyarakat Muslim di Inggris, bahkan juga masyarakat keseluruhan di negeri Britania Raya dalam skup yang lebih luas. Dan dengan demikian kami berharap agar keanggotaan ini betul-betul bisa continue, bisa berkelanjutan. Maka jagalah kepercayaan dan jagalah posisi Muhammadiyah sebaik-baiknya dengan cara tampilkan Muhammadiyah benar-benar sebagai gerakan Islam wasatiyah, Islam moderat, Islam tengahan yang menampilkan ummat wasata litakunu syuhada'a 'alan nas, yakni umat tengahan yang selalu hadir untuk mencerdaskan, mencerahkan, dan memajukan kehidupan dalam menebar Islam sebagai rahmatan lil alamin. Dan secara khusus tampilkan pandangan Islam berkemajuan, Islam yang selalu berdiri tegak di atas tauhid yang kokoh, ar-ruju ilal Quran was sunnah, mengembangkan tajdid dan ijtihad, menampilkan wasatiyah Islam, dan mewujudkan rahmatan lil alamin sebagai karakter dari Islam berkemajuan. Insya Allah dengan peran-peran nyata yang mencerahkan, mencerdaskan, mendamaikan, menyatukan, dan memajukan masyarakat Muslim di Inggris maupun masyarakat secara luas akan merasakan betul kehadiran Muhammadiyah, sehingga Muhammadiyah memang pantas dan layak menjadi anggota resmi Liga Muslim Inggris. Dan dengan demikian kita akan terus memperluas dakwah dan tajdid Muhammadiyah di kawasan global. Selamat, semoga Allah senantiasa melimpahkan rahmat, ridho, dan karunia-Nya atas penghidmatan saudara-saudara sekalian untuk terus membawa Muhammadiyah sebagai gerakan Islam berkemajuan yang membawa Islam rahmatan lil alamin. Nasrum minallah wa fathun qarib. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Rektor Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. Di hari peringatan kemerdekaan 81 tahun Republik Indonesia, kita memperoleh informasi menyenangkan, yakni pelantikan pengurus cabang istimewa Muhammadiyah Britania Raya dan Irlandia. Kami sampaikan selamat sukses kepada segenap pengurus, termasuk dosen kami dari UMP, Ibu Susana. Mudah-mudahan gerak langkah persyarikatan melalui PCIM ini akan semakin kuat, bisa menggembirakan, mencerahkan dalam bingkai dakwah persyarikatan Muhammadiyah. Selamat sukses untuk segenap pengurus. Mudah-mudahan jalan dakwah ini membawa keberhasilan dan Muhammadiyah semakin besar, semakin jaya. Nasru minallah fathun qarib wa basyiril mu'minin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
More than a century ago, a visionary figure named Kiai Ahmad Dahlan initiated a movement that would later transform the landscape of Islamic life in Indonesia. In 1912, he founded Muhammadiyah, an organization grounded in the principles of moderate and progressive Islam, emphasizing universal human brotherhood. Its singular mission was to make Islam a source of peace, mutual understanding, and harmonious coexistence beyond differences of background. Through Muhammadiyah, Kiai Ahmad Dahlan sought not only to reform religious life, but also to promote values of openness, tolerance, and human dignity in social life. Muhammadiyah is more than a socio-religious organization. It is a force for transformation, empowering the moral, spiritual, and social capacities of the Muslim community toward the ideal of Baldatun Thayyibatun wa Rabbun Ghafur. The Muhammadiyah movement is a call to build a better, fairer, and more prosperous life for all without discrimination of any kind. At every step, Muhammadiyah encourages Muslims to integrate Islamic teachings into real-life practice to create a world that is more inclusive, peaceful, and sustainable. Over the past century, Muhammadiyah has grown into one of the largest Islamic organizations in the world with more than 40 million members. Rooted in the noble ideals of its founders, Muhammadiyah has continuously advanced its vision and mission through the progressive Islamic movement. Today, Muhammadiyah manages more than 160 universities, thousands of schools, hundreds of healthcare institutions, hundreds of social care centers, as well as numerous kindergarten run by its women's wing, Aisyah. In the eastern regions of Indonesia, such as Papua and East Nusa Tenggara, Muhammadiyah has established universities that not only educate the younger generation, but also foster social integration between Muslims and non-Muslims, strengthening unity amid rich cultural diversity. With the spirit of peace and global solidarity, Muhammadiyah has been actively involved in promoting peace and addressing humanitarian challenges in various countries, including Palestine, Sudan, Myanmar, Thailand, the Philippines, Turkey, Pakistan, and Taiwan, as well as domestically through institutions such as Muhammadiyah Disaster Management Center, Emergency Medical Team, Humanitarian Forum Indonesia, Muhammadiyah Aid, Muhammadiyah COVID-19 Command Center, and Eko Bhinneka Muhammadiyah. Community philanthropic participation is channeled through the Lembaga Zakat Infak and Sodakoh Muhammadiyah or Lazismu, a national zakat institution dedicated to community empowerment through projective program funded by zakat, infak, wakaf, and other charitable contributions from individuals, institutions, and corporations. Lazismu continues to innovate the strategic programs to reduce poverty, promote social justice, and provide solutions to societal issues. Muhammadiyah's achievements have gained significant international recognition. In 2024, Muhammadiyah was awarded the Zayed Award for Human Fraternity, an honor given to organizations demonstrating outstanding effort in addressing social challenges, fostering peace, and strengthening human solidarity. In June 2025, Muhammadiyah launched the Unified Global Hijri Calendar, reaffirming its commitment to advancing Islamic civilizations by offering scholarly and practical solutions to unify the Muslim world through a harmonized time system. Muhammadiyah continues its global expansion with branches now present in 38 countries across 5 continents. The organization collaborates with various international institutions to strengthen its mission and expand its positive impact. Through every global partnership, Muhammadiyah strives to build bridges for a better humanity through education, empowerment, humanitarian work, environmental stewardship, and health initiatives. Muhammadiyah remains committed to reaching more communities with its message of peace, progress, and solidarity. Guided by the spirit of peace, justice, and compassion, Muhammadiyah is determined to continue its role as an agent of change, one that inspires the world and innovates to provide solutions to the challenges faced by Muslim societies in Indonesia and across the globe. Through its religious, educational, health, social, humanitarian, and peace-building initiatives, Muhammadiyah ultimately seeks to realize Islam as Rahmatan lil Alamin, a mercy to all creation, by promoting prosperity, welfare, and justice for all.